We're
Okay.
gonna see how long it's gonna take to get that taken care of.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So, yep, just relax, deep breath. Having fun?
Yeah, oh my goodness. This is my first track event. We do autocross all the time.
Okay,
yeah.
now you're up to the big track. Big autocross.
I know, I love it, yeah. Time to upgrade brakes though, man, because I know I've done pads and fluid, but
my fear is that corner up there. We come into that corner so hot, in my brain all I can think of is brake failure, brake failure, brake failure.
That's why you have two systems.
Oh, he's completely modified. He's not taking very good lines.
No. He's losing traction though too.
I mean, I feel...
You're getting smoother. You're doing good.
Yeah. I'm slowly getting the lines I want. The track's getting drier from driving it.
Yeah.
This part right here is super slick, though.
I think it's just the way you lose your
weight.
Your weight. You just you have a weird weight shift there.
Yeah. I'm starting to get on the gas earlier, too. Somebody.
You caught 2 people already.
I know.
That's a good thing you didn't catch it. You're not catching people. You get a little more play right now on what you're doing and
feels 120.
Yeah, I saw. I watch it every time.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right, here's a little more speed. It feels so tight